Hey there, Bounty Branch. I want to talk to you about some of the electronic resources and library resources that are available to you outside of school. Specifically, I'm going to be talking about subscription databases. If you haven't heard me talk about subscription databases before, let me give you a quick refresher. These databases are different from what you might find in an open web search in that they are exclusively high quality content that have been curated and selected by a professional staff. These databases offer all kinds of high quality, reliable information for any academic area. These databases are carefully selected to meet your needs for your studies and your reading levels. They are directly aimed at middle school students. And within each of these subscription databases, you're going to find articles and books and multimedia that have been carefully chosen to meet your specific learning needs. Now, I want to show you how you can access these databases. Okay? The easiest way to access the databases is going to be through your hcpss.me portal. If you haven't used it already, there's a button on the right-hand side of hcpss.me called Mac and Via. Mac and Via is a company that provides a single login access to every one of our subscription resources. Now, technically, these subscription databases are all separate companies. So technically, they all have separate logins. What Mac and Via does is Mac and Via allows you to log in one time only. You'll log in with your normal Howard County username and password. And once you've logged in to Mac and Via, it automatically logs you into every one of our subscription databases. So instead of logging in several different times, it's a single portal giving you access to everything. Now, by default, when you first log into Mac and Via, the first page you're going to see is a list of all of our subscription databases. These are the resources that Howard County Public Schools pays for you to have access to. And as I scroll through them, you can see some of them are specific to social studies topics, some of them are specific to science topics, and then some of them are just what we called general research databases. They cover a wide variety of topics. In addition to those databases, it's also a direct link to your Noodle Tools account. Whenever you find the database or the piece that you're interested in, just look on the right-hand side and you'll see the green Open Now button. That's what you will press to actually log into the database. Now, if I scroll back up to the top and you look on the left-hand side, you can also see, in addition to databases, we also have ebooks and electronic audiobooks. So if I click the ebooks tab, we have over 100 ebooks at this point. Now, it's slowly growing. It's kind of expensive for me to build this collection, but I'm adding to it constantly. So we're slowly building our ebook collection, and you access all of our ebooks through Mac and Via. If there's something that you're interested in on the right-hand side, you can do a preview with Open Now, or you can check it out to a device with the checkout button. And if I scroll back up to the top, the same thing applies to our audiobook collection. We've got some electronic audiobooks that you can check out as well. If you scroll through here, you'll see the audiobooks available for you to listen to or download. So these are the Mac and Via resources. And again, you log into Mac and Via from hcpss.me with your Howard County username and password. The other resource I want to talk to you about is also linked from your hcpss.me portal, and it's a link to the HC library. In addition to HCPSS paying for all students to have access to these amazing subscription databases, the Howard County Public Library is now providing every student with an A+ student library card. To access all Howard County Library content, all you have to do is click on the HC button on the hcpss.me portal. When you click that Howard County Library button, you're going to be redirected and prompted to log in with your Active Directory username and password. That's the same username and password that you use for everything else in HCPSS. Once you log in, you'll see a picture of your Howard County Library account barcode along with your HC Library username and PIN. If you have a mobile device, you can take a screenshot of this barcode and use this in any library branch to check out materials, just like you would with a regular library card. Now let's talk about this page. If you click on the links directly from this page, you'll automatically be authenticated and logged in to Howard County Library resources. You'll be redirected to the A+ student landing page and be able to access all of the online content that the library provides. This includes additional subscription databases as well as other electronic resources. If you try to access the databases or other e-resources from another website, not through this login, for example, if you go to the library homepage, hclibrary.org, you can still log in and have access. You just have to enter your username and PIN like a remote user authentication. If, however, you go through the way I showed you, through hcbss.me first, everything will be logged in automatically. You just click the A+ student login button. Okay, that's it, Bonnie Branch. I just wanted to let you know about the subscription databases and e-resources available to you, the ones that Howard County Public Schools provides for every student. You can access those through Mac and VIA, as well as the new partnership with Howard County Public Library, where every student has an A+ student library card, giving them access to all of the library information, whether it's physical information in a branch or electronic information that you access online. Please let me know if you have any questions.